This is a brand new 2014 GMC Yukon. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 6.2-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a 3-zone climate control system so that each front seat as well as rear seat passengers can set temperature settings to their own comfort level, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a DVD player, roof rails, cruise control, interior wood trim accents, latch-ready child seat anchors, an unattended headlight warning chime, steering wheel mounted controls, external temperature display, a rear parking aid, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.